In the early hours of July 29, 2024, around 3:20 a.m., officers from the West Los Angeles Division responded to a radio call about a burglary suspect in the 2600 block of South Palm Avenue. Upon arrival, they spoke with the caller, who reported that the suspect, later identified as Lavell Adams, had attempted to break into his home. Adams then broke into the home of his elderly neighbor by shattering a window, forcing her to flee. Shortly after, the woman's house was set on fire. Los Angeles Fire Department personnel arrived on the scene and observed Adams inside the residence.
You got two people in here. Looks like they're having sex in the bedroom. Yeah. They're having what? Banging. Oh. What the? Yeah. Where at? To the right. You guys got a couple of hiding in the closet here. Having sex. They're interested. What was that? Closet. They're hiding and they're having sex. Open the door. Is it open? No. Yeah, they're in here. It's the police department. Open the door. You guys done with this one? So? I have not checked that. Okay. I just checked that last one. LAPD, open the door, or we won't kick it in.
Hey, this is the LAPD. Let's go. You need to come outside. Hurry up. You need to come out. Let's go. Hey, we have a police. Hey, we have a police dog on the way. He may inflict injury and you may end up getting hurt. I recommend you come out. Let's go.
Hey, boss, what's your name?
Want some light over here, sir?
Yeah, give me some light. You talking to them?
Nah.
Hey, boss, what's your name? Pop that screen.
Yeah.
I'm here to encourage you, brothers and sisters, trying to paint to you a better picture. Everything I say, I back it up with the scriptures.
I don't have a screen.
You like to see us out?
No.
Hey, boss.
Hey, Sarge, be advised he might have a knife.
This one's standing right here. Yeah. He's over in the corner. Okay. Hey, boss. He's not gonna talk, huh?
I don't see him. Unless I stick my head in there. No, don't stick there. Yeah.
Hey!
Back in the day?
Stand behind cover then.
Yes.
Hey!
Doors opening?
No. No. Start this.
Did you spin over?
You guys hear me?
Hello, the clock. Hello, the
Roger. Unit for the front door, we copy you. Just, is he going to be walking outside? Or you guys giving him commands?
I'm trying to talk to him now.
Trying to talk now.
What's your name, buddy?
Roger.
What's your name?
We'll give you guys an update.
Want to stand up for me?
I gotta thank Yahweh for being the chosen seed of Israel.
Catch me singing.
Generation of the saints
What's your name, boss?
of Yah.
I got you.
Advise him that I'm making an entry. Do not move, sir. Do not move. Do not move. Stand your ass up. Face away from me. Let's go. Now.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Stand your ass up.
Stand up.
Before you.
I got me back. Alright, I got me back.
You got 6 hands?
Hey, let me see your hands, man. Let me see your hands.
I'm happy.
Put your hands up.
I'm naked.
I don't care. Stand up.
I'm naked.
I don't care.
I'm naked. I have my woman with me.
Put your hands up.
I have my woman with me.
Hey, just show us that you don't have anything in your hands.
I
Put
don't
your
have
hands
anything in
up.
my hand.
Step on the bed.
What's up?
Step on the bed.
Yeah.
Step on the bed.
Step on the bed. Go that way. Go that way.
I don't have anything.
I don't care.
Show me your
Stand
hand.
up.
I don't have anything.
Show me your hands.
I don't have anything.
Get your
Show me
hands
your
up now.
Hand
Now.
up.
I don't have anything.
Step on the bed.
I don't have anything.
Hey, we're gonna come
I'm
grab
gonna
you if you don't
change
show us your hands.
Bro, I don't have anything.
I don't care. Stand
Get
up.
your hands up.
Bro, I don't have
Get your
anything,
hands
bro.
up right now.
Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Where you going, bro?
Get off the bed. Come on. Come on out.
You don't got a choice.
Bro.
Get your hands up.
Bro.
Okay, move that. Step off me. Move that chair out the way.
I got you at the 40.
Dude, just get your hands up.
I don't have anything. I have
Hey, if
my
you
phone.
move, we will shoot.
I don't have
Move the
anything.
chair out the way. Move the dresser.
I don't have anything. Got the 40. Go that way.
Move the dresser.
I got eyes.
Got eyes?
I can't see it right in. Only
Okay. All that shit out the way. Nobody cover down on him.
I got him.
Alrighty.
Hey, man, just show us your hands, man. That's all we need to see right now.
I'm stuck. Yep.
Just show us your hands, man. That's all you got to see. Hey, bro.
His hands are
Show us
clear.
your hands.
Go ahead and grab his hand.
Stand up.
Two of you guys go through up. Go ahead and grab him.
Hey, don't do anything stupid. Keep your hands in. Don't move.
Drop the nut! I got it.
Drop
Bean
the
back.
knife.
Bean
Fire,
back.
shots fired.
No shots. Bean back.
Get bean back. Stand by. Bean back.
Stay down.
Knife flex left hand. Hey, do not move. Do not move. Hit me.
As officers attempted to take Adams into custody, he armed himself with a knife and lunged at them. In response, one officer deployed 2 beanbag shotgun rounds, causing Adams to retreat and barricade himself inside the house, still armed with the knife.
Hey, the knife is in front of my left.
Don't move.
You shot me, bro.
Anybody shoot?
Bean back move. Bean back.
Leave the knife.
Do not touch the knife. You shot me, bro.
Anybody shoot?
Anybody shooting here?
Not me.
Not me.
Okay, step back. Step back. Step back.
Do not touch the knife. You're gonna get the bean back again.
Step out.
Hey, do not touch the knife. Okay. No, move the knife. Okay. Hey, he's covering himself.
It's all right.
Hurry up.
It's all right.
Hurry up.
Step out. Step out. Step out. Step out.
Coming out.
Step out. Everybody out? Okay, go back to the front. Is
Everybody out?
Everybody's out.
You good? You guys good?
You guys good? Anybody fired?
No, sir.
Okay, we're good.
The Metropolitan Division's Special Weapons and Tactics SWAT team was called in to establish containment. As SWAT officers secured the area, Adams exited the residence through a side window, covered by a blanket. Despite multiple commands from the officers to show his hands, drop the blanket, and comply, Adams refused.
Here. Come this way. No one's gonna hurt you if you come over here. There you go. Show me your hands, please. I just want to make sure there's nothing in your hands and come this way. Sir, it's safer for you over here. It's not very safe over there. I want you to come over here where it's safe. Get on your knees, you're gonna get hit, and it's gonna hurt. If you don't want to get hurt, get on your knees. Get on your knees. Get on the ground. All the way down on the ground. Get on the ground. We think you have a knife. Then get on the ground and follow my commands, or you're going to get hurt. And it's not going to feel good. Get on your knees. Drop the blanket now. Drop the blanket now. If you don't drop that blanket, you're going to get hit. If you move, you're going to...
The Los Angeles Fire Department's Tactical Emergency Medical Support Unit immediately assessed Adams, who was pronounced deceased at the scene. Fortunately, no officers or community members were injured during this incident.